Good morning friends. Yesterday we have discussed the stress and strain. Now let us consider some numericals based on stress and strain. Take down, calculate minimum diameter of steel wire to lift a load of 8 kilonewton if permissible stress in wire is 120 megapascal. Now we know the basic formula. Before solving this, make a list of formulae. We know the formula: stress is equal to force upon unit area. So here what is given? P, force is given 8.2 kilonewton. We are going to convert it in 8.2 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Sigma, that means stress, permissible stress in wire, is equal to 120 megapascal. In last lecture I told you megapascal is nothing but Newton per mm square. So 120 Newton per mm square. And as you know, this is a circular cross section wire. So the area is pi by 4 into d square. So let us solve this problem given, and to find minimum possible diameter. Sigma is equal to P upon A or P upon pi by 4 d square. So d square is equal to P upon pi by 4 into sigma, or d is equal to under root. Put the value, P is equal to 8.2 into 10 raised to 3 and sigma is 120. Solve this problem. This is a solved problem from your textbook. So the answer is D is equal to 9.32. Sorry, I wrote minimum. It is mm. mm. Take down any 2-3 problems on same pattern and try to solve. A bar of cross section 20 mm by 20 mm is axially pulled by a force P kilonewton if the maximum stress induced is 50 megapascal. Determine force P. If elongation of 1.2 millimeter is observed over a gauge length of 3 meter, then determine Young's modulus. See what is given here: cross section area 20 by 20 means it is a square bar, axially pulled by force P. Okay, so area is given, P is denoted as capital P kilonewton. Maximum stress induced 50 megapascal is 50 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square. Elongation means delta L 1.2 mm and is observed over gauge length of 3 meter. That means total length is 3 meter. That means 3 into 10 raised to 3 millimeter. Let us solve this problem. First, if your list of formula is ready, then it is easy to recall the formula which is necessary to solve this problem. At stress in elongation both is given, that means we need a formula sigma is equal to P upon A as well as delta L formula elongation. That means strain is equal to delta L upon L, change in length upon unit length. So let us solve this problem. Sigma is equal to P upon A, or we have to calculate this P. So P is equal to sigma into A. Sigma is given 50 megapascal, area is 20 by 20, that means 400. 50 into 400, 20,000 kilonewton. But see, 20,000 Newton. But see, in problem statement it is given P kilonewton. So you have to solve this to kilonewton. So this is 20 kilonewton. If you stop with 20,000 Newton, then you may not get any marks. Again, we have to calculate Young's modulus, that means capital E. So we have to first calculate small e, that is strain, delta L upon L. Delta L is given 1.2 upon 3 into 10 raised to 3, that is 4 into 10 raised to minus 4 with no unit. Now we know Young's modulus is equal to stress upon strain. This is your assignment. Calculate yourself and write down the answer in comment section. Also take down 3-4 problems, same numericals of same type, stress and strain, as well as on Hooke's law, and solve yourself and send me on WhatsApp. Thank you.